Can you say this simple word correctly? It's pronounced.
Erectile dysfunction.
Let's break it down.
This phrase often gets mispronounced. The correct way is erectile dysfunction. First say erectile, smooth like plus rec plus tile. Then say dysfunction, starting with dis, add funk, and finish with shun. Together, erectile dysfunction. Now, let's practice the full phrase 3 times. Ready? Erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction. If you got it right all 3 times, you just pronounced a phrase many people hesitate to say.
Got it? Let's practice it together. Repeat after me.
Erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction.
Now it's your turn. Drop a comment if you nailed it or if you need more tips. Subscribe for more pronunciation guides. And here's a fun challenge. Record yourself, post it, and tag us.